Hello, my name is Ashtray Bentley, and today I'm going to show you 3 of the best free plugins. I'm going to be saving the best one for last, and right at the top of the list is going to be OTT, TDR Nova, and then Valhalla Supermassive. Right here I have an example of some chords, and this is before the plugins. And this is after. For free plugins, these are very powerful and extremely useful tools. First off, we have OTT, and OTT is by X for Records, the same people that make Serum. It stands for over-the-top compression. That is a very accurate name. To make this compressor sound good, you're going to have to dial it back. If you use it at its full capacity, it's just crazy compression. So it's a multi-band compressor. That means it compresses different frequencies of the source at different ratios. So as you see here, it's got the highs, mids, lows, and then depth is going to be basically your depth is going to be your dry wet. Time is going to be your attack release ratios. In is going to be how loud the source is coming in. Out is how loud it's pushing the source out. And upward and downward are some unique features of this plugin. So upward is going to be how strong it pulls the sound up to the threshold, and downward is going to be how hard and intense it pulls the sound down. There's honestly a lot going on here, so it's an amazing tool for being a free plugin. And then, like I said, you're just going to have to experiment with it and learn how to wrangle it, but once you do learn how to dial it in, it's a very great compressor. Next is TDR Nova, and this is also a compressor, but mainly an EQ. So I've been messing with these plugins for a bit. I still, for some reason, cannot find how to show the frequencies on here. So you just kind of have to put an imager before and look at that, or just do it by ear. But other than that, this is a very good compressor. I like this one a lot, and I'm going to continue to use this. It's also a compressor, as you can see here. The yellow line is the threshold, and the yellow is the amount of compression. And right down here, if I click on this, you can see the threshold, and then the ratio, and then the gain. And I'm just kind of compressing those low, mids, and highs to kind of control that compressor, the OTT, a little bit and fine tune that. You get 4 bands of compression, which is honestly a very similar effect to the OTT, but it's not going to be as powerful as the OTT. This is a good gentle compressor or fine tuning something. It has some really cool presets. I think this would be great for vocals. It has like a de-esser, and you can kind of compress the S's. Also on top of that, it has a high pass and a low pass, and they sound absolutely great. But yeah, that is an amazing tool for a free plugin. After that, we have pretty much everyone's favorite free plugin, and that's Valhalla Supermassive. This is a delay and reverb. So as you can see right here, there's a lot of presets, and this is both a delay and a reverb, so they have those presets mashed together. One thing that's also extremely cool about this plugin is right at the bottom, everything is explained. So it tells you what all these different modes are, because there's a lot of fun names. Single echoes, high density, double echoes, long decay. So honestly, this one is extremely easy to get working and very intuitive. This is an amazing free plugin. I definitely recommend this plugin. I'm going to include download links all in the description. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.